GoEdify streamlines your Amazon Vendor Central workflow by automating order processing, reducing the entire process to just a few clicks. Let me show you how it works with a small example. Amazon has placed an order, asking you to send them 10 STEM kits and 30 board games. I simply confirm the order, without making any changes. GoEdify immediately sends the confirmation back to Vendor Central, and, in the background, fetches the best available shipping rates. These rates come directly from USPS, UPS, and FedEx. No markup added. And if you prefer, you can connect your own shipping provider accounts as well. You see, the 10 STEM kits come in 2 cartons of 5 each. The 30 board games kits come in 3 cartons of 10 each. Next, I purchased the labels. Behind the scenes, GoEdify transmits all the shipment details to Amazon. For each carton, we generate both the carrier shipping label and the Amazon license plate label. The license plate barcode allows Amazon to match each physical carton to the shipment data we just submitted on your behalf. The labels are organized in pairs, 1 shipping label and 1 license plate label per shipping carton, ready to print instantly. The license plate label has annotations of the carton content and carton size, so you know exactly which carton each label goes on. All of this happened with just 3 clicks. You can also ship pallets using GoEdify. We have a separate video on that. The basic services of GoEdify are completely free. We also offer setup assistance and can have your account fully linked to Vendor Central in about 15 minutes.